Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Thursday, pressured by shares in automobiles and components, capital goods, as well as real estate. Now, on the economic docket, initial claims falling to 278,000 in the week ended May 14th. Decliners were also ahead of advancers, 68% of SP500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the market closed, Gap reporting first quarter EPS of 32 cents, in line with expectations versus 56 cents last year, with sales of $3.44 billion in line with expectations. Moving on, Alphabet, that's Google's parent, has no plans to expand its partnership with Fiat Chrysler Automobiles to create a self-driving car. This reported by Reuters, citing sources. And Yahoo in the headlines as Verizon Communications and others are expected to bid around $2 billion to $3 billion in the auction for the company's core business. This reported by the Wall Street Journal, citing people familiar with the matter. Turning overseas now, Asian markets positive today to close out the week. The Nikkei up a little more than 0.5%. The Hang Seng up 0.8%, while South Korea's Kospi up 0.05%. European markets, they are positive, and U.S. futures calling for a strong opening. In terms of expectations today, Deere & Company second quarter EPS seen at $1.48. This while Campbell Soup third quarter EPS seen at 64 cents. And Foot Locker first quarter earnings per share seen at $1.39. And on the economic docket, we begin at 10 o'clock in the morning. We have April existing home sales figures expected at 5.4 million. While over in the markets, Trading Central analysts see the SP500 in a period of an expected rebound. Now, the relative strength index calls for a rebound, and long positions above 2020 are favored with targets at 2052 and 2060 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq also sees an expected rebound, therefore favoring long positions above 4275, and the Dow Jones sees an expected rebound as well, preferring long positions above 17,300.